you guys are gonna buy it.
We're gonna buy it, huh?
Yes, you are. What's up, you guys? Back for another video. Today is very, very special. It's a video I've wanted to make for a long time, and I hope you guys all enjoy this. What you guys are about to see is 100% real, and if you guys could watch 100% of the video, it helps me grow on YouTube, so I can do more videos like this in the future. So a little backstory. Yes, you guys are seeing the title correct. It is a $1 dirt bike. This kid, so basically I've wanted to make this video for a while, and I wanted to do it for a random person, and technically he is a random person, but in order to give a kid a dirt bike for $1, I kind of needed to size them up, and wanted to make sure I get the correct bike. So this bike is an 05 CRF 150. It is basically tailored to fit this kid. So it's a friend of mine's nephew, and he thinks he's just meeting up with me today. He's like a little fan of like my social medias and stuff like that, so he thinks he's just getting the chance to meet me, but what he doesn't know is I'm actually going to sell him a dirt bike for $1, and it's going to be awesome. So he's never had a dirt bike. He always rides his friends' dirt bikes. His name is Kaden. So Kaden, you're getting a dirt bike for $1 today, brother. So I don't know if this bike is going to be too big for him. If anything, it's not going to be too small, which is a good thing. He'll be able to ride it for a couple years. So his mom is driving him to meet up with me. His mom has no clue. She also thinks that he's just getting the chance to meet me, which is pretty cool. And so I'm excited to see their reactions. He's gonna have his own dirt bike, so we got it all lined out. The friend of mine got him to meet me at about 2 o'clock today, and I'm gonna roll up on the Ducati, and basically my truck is gonna be there with the bike in the back around the corner. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you hit that like button, and hopefully I'll have the opportunity to maybe do this with a big sport bike or a cruiser or something here in the future. So Kaden is 12 years old, and I think this bike is going to fit him real good. It's going to be pretty neat. So let's head on over, and I'm going to pull the bike out and go take it for a little spin, and I'll show you guys the dirt bike that Kaden's getting for $1 today, okay? So let's head on over there, and we'll take it for a little spin. Ta-da! Alright, we're back. Riding Kaden's $1 dirt bike. Woo! Not a bad little rig. Wee, 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 wee. We put new grips on it. Could use a new clutch lever, some new plastics. Thing runs really good though. Does need rear brakes, which I ordered the pads for it, but they're not here yet, and today's my only day to do this. Whoa, this clutch is touchy, holy crap. So woo! Yeah, woo! Alright, people are probably looking at me really weird, but yeah, so here, you guys want to see a side shot of it? Here, we'll pull over here. There, I'll listen to this little hog. There, we got her in neutral. I gave her a scrub down, but yeah, it's alright. It's got a little tear in the seat. It's not bad for a 12-year-old, I guess. So, new rear tire. Black wheels. Yeah. Needs to take a little toothbrush and give her the old scrub down on the engine. Maybe some simple green. But I mean, for overall, for an older bike, it runs good. So it's $1. I don't do refunds. Sold as is. Woo! This little thing's fun. But this is a bike, you know, it's not like a two-stroke where he's gonna rip wheelies on it. And, it's still got a little kick to her, so. Well, let's go load this baby up in my truck and yeah, go from there. All right, you guys. So they're about 10 minutes out, and I'm gonna roll up on the Ducati and say hi to him. He's never met me before. I've never met him. I've never met his mom. So this is 100% real. I will write up a bill of sale after this video for $1. And I mean, naturally his mom's obviously gonna have to purchase it, but it's gonna be his dirt bike. So yeah, really excited. I'm getting nervous and to see his reaction, and I hope you guys enjoy this. But we got him there, and I'm just gonna cruise up and down until I see a white car sitting over at this food place, and then behind the building I have my truck, and in the truck is the CRF. So, and I put my Ducati cover on the bike so you can't see what it is. But they're gonna pull in the front side, so they're not even gonna see the bike there at all. So yeah, I'll just cruise up and down here until they show up. So what's your name?
Kaden.
Kaden? You know who Action Factory is?
Yeah.
That's me. Are you nervous?
Huh?
Are you nervous?
No.
No? What do you think of this?
I like it.
Yeah? You want to rev it up?
What's a Ducati?
Yeah?
Those are nice. I like ninjas.
I seen you on my Instagram
Yeah.
floating around.
I like ninjas too.
Yeah. So I wanted to meet you. What when you get bigger, what kind of bike are you gonna get?
I don't know. I know I want probably a Ninja crotch rocket, but also a dirt bike would be fun too.
Dirt bike would be fun.
Yeah.
I like dirt bikes. I've had a few of them.
Yeah, I've never had one. I've wanted one my whole life, but I've never had one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this Ducati's nice.
You want to try to sit on it?
Sure.
Can you get up there?
Yeah, I've been on a lot of crotch rockets at stores and stuff. Yeah, I've been on a lot of crotch rockets at stores and stuff. I've been on a lot of crotch rockets. Yeah, these are nice.
That's a cool motorcycle.
Go get. Hey, go get your mom real quick. I want to meet your mom.
Mom! Come here.
Action Factory.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, you like the clutch, huh?
I have a bike that is cooler than this one. I want to show it to you. It's way nicer than this one. I just bought it too. Do you want to see it? Okay, I'm going to show it to you. Oh, it's down there. You're way too small for a Ninja, dude.
I wasn't gonna get it, I was just looking at it.
Oh, you're just one of them tire kickers.
Yeah, because I was looking at a dirt bike. I was looking at dirt bikes and stuff.
Yeah?
I'm not gonna get one, but I was looking at them, and then I saw a Ninja, so I wanted to sit on it, and it was like down here.
This kid has no idea. His mom doesn't even know what's going on right now. She thinks this is really weird. I could tell on her facial expressions.
What, your phone?
That's my new bike.
In there?
Yeah. Do you want to see it or what?
Sure.
Grab your mom.
Mom.
This is my brand new bike. It was 40 grand.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I just got it like 4 or 5 days ago. You have to check it out. Come over here, Mom. I want your mom to see it. Alright, so I got this like 4 or 5 days ago, and it's way too small. So I got to sell this. And you guys are going to buy it.
We're gonna buy it, huh?
Yes, you are. I have it priced really good, okay? It was way too small for me, so I got to get rid of it. You want your mom to buy it for you? Okay. So, it is a CRF 150. It's got new tire, black rims.
Can I come up here and look at it?
Yeah. See what you're gonna buy.
Oh, 150 too. That's just what I'm looking
Get on it. Does it fit you? Oh yeah, you got to tiptoe it.
at. This is the exact size I'm looking at too.
Okay, done deal.
So what's the catch? What's going on?
I'm gonna sell it to you guys for $1.
$1? What is going on?
You want to buy this for $1?
Yeah.
Okay, sold.
What is going on?
There's no refunds. Okay, it's sold as is. I don't want it. You're gonna buy it for $1.
Why? Like, what is the catch?
There's no catch.
Kylie, what is going on?
Seriously, this is your bike.
Seriously?
Seriously.
What?
Uh-huh.
Are you hearing this?
I'm trying to process it.
Whoa.
If you give me a $1, I'll write up a bill of sale and it's your dirt bike.
Kaden, take a freaking dollar.
Give me $1.
before he changes his mind.
Yeah.
Here's $1.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Shake the man's hand, Kaden.
There. That's a good transaction. You like my gloves?
I got the purple.
You got a pair, don't you?
I got the purple.
There it is. There's $1. I got to write up bill of sale though. We'll have to do it later and I'll have to get it to you guys. What do you think, dude?
I love it.
Should we unload it?
Yes.
Okay. This is the only one I got for sale. You got a bike to practice on for when you get older, right?
I want to race. Like, what I want to do.
If it's too big, you're gonna grow into it.
That'll be better because then if it is too big, then I'll have it for my use. What year is it?
2005. There you go, dude. Pleasure doing business. You gotta ride it home. Okay, you're gonna have to grow into it a little bit. But then you can ride it for a couple years. Should we start it up? Take some practice. What do you think? Huh? You don't know what?
I don't know what I think. I love it though.
Are you gonna ride it? Oh, and when he outgrows that, guess what? You get it. That's it, I guess. I don't know. But hey, I'm gonna try and get it to your house. Okay?
When?
I don't know. When I have time. Soon, okay? But it's your dirt bike. $1. Hey. Boop, 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 boop. $1 dirt bike.
That's awesome.
Come and see me, I just wanna know. I wanna know.
I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if